Join me as I try to pack for a week-long trip using only 5 items. Let's see if I can make it work.
Packing efficiently is an art that every traveler should master. The ability to fit everything you need into a small space without sacrificing style or comfort is a skill that can make all the difference between a stressful trip and a relaxing getaway.
When it comes to packing, we've all been there, staring at our overflowing closet, trying to decide what to bring and what to leave behind. We've all experienced the frustration of limited space, the anxiety of forgetting essential items, and the stress of organizing everything into a neat and tidy package. You're not alone if you've ever found yourself frantically searching for that one missing sock or wondering why you even bothered packing that extra pair of shoes. We've all heard the horror stories of travelers who arrived at their destination, only to realize they'd left something crucial behind. We've all been guilty of overpacking, just in case, only to be left lugging around a heavy suitcase for the entire trip. And let's be honest, who among us hasn't stood in front of the hotel mirror, clothes scattered all over the floor, wondering what on earth we were thinking when we packed that ridiculous outfit? But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to pack smarter, not harder, and make the most of your limited space. It's time to say goodbye to the days of stressing over what to pack and hello to a more streamlined, more efficient, and more enjoyable travel experience. Rolling your clothes is a game changer when it comes to packing. Not only does it save space, but it also helps reduce wrinkles and prevents those pesky creases that seem to magically appear during transit. And let's not forget about packing cubes, those magical little bags that keep your clothes organized and easy to find. By using these cubes, you can compress your clothing and make the most of your suitcase's space. The answer lies in creative folding methods. By folding your clothes in a specific way, you can fit them snugly around those awkward items, making the most of your space and ensuring everything fits neatly into your suitcase. Have you ever considered using vacuum bags to pack your clothes? Not only do they compress your clothing, making more space in your suitcase, but they also protect your clothes from dirt and wrinkles. And what about packing for specific trip types? By tailoring your packing list to your destination and activities, you can ensure you have everything you need without overloading your suitcase. Today, we've covered some of the latest secrets to packing like a pro. From rolling clothes to using vacuum bags, we've explored the techniques that will make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, packing efficiently is all about being intentional with what you bring and how you bring it. By implementing these secrets into your packing routine, you'll be saying goodbye to the stress of packing and hello to a more relaxing trip. So, what are your favorite packing tips and tricks? Share them with us in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about travel hacks and how to make the most of your next adventure, be sure to check out our next video. Make the background music upbeat and trendy,